Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning watcher, thank you for coming back. And please give it a thumbs up. And please share this video with all your friends and family. If you are a new watcher to my channel, welcome. I would love it if you would watch this video in its entirety and also give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, comment, and share. The theme of this video today is makeup brushes versus beauty blenders. And I just wanted to come in here and put in my 2 cents regarding the topic. I've since decluttered and reorganized and realized, you know what? There is two camps. One camp is those that love beauty brushes. And when I was redoing my everyday makeup container, I realized I have over, at one point, 50 to 100 brushes. This is the fact that I have 15 beauty blenders. Just my few beauty blenders. I have, maybe 10 more stored away in my acrylic cases. And you know what I realized? I was speaking to my friends, and I realized, again, there are 2 camps. Some camp loves brushes, and some camp loves beauty blenders. I realized, without a doubt, I am a makeup brush person. And what is the number 1 reason that I like brushes versus beauty blenders? Well, the thing with brushes is that they all come in different sizes. They come in all handle styles, typically styles, lengths, and thicknesses. And I've found that makeup brushes are a lot easier to curate because they all have various functions. Yes, beauty blenders do have various functions, but typically they come in similar shapes and sizes. They do come in different colors, which is very nice to organize. Some for the face, some for the eye, some for contouring, some for patting on your foundation, cream to powder foundations, all different styles of facial coverage products. However, I don't reach for beauty blenders because one reason I don't reach for beauty blenders is that I have hooded eyes, and as a result, it is easier to go in with an angle brush such as this to do liner, to do neat work near my eyelashes and tight line and those types of functions. And brushes really get in those crevices. Again, they come in all different shapes, all different sizes. The other reason that I am a huge fan of makeup brushes versus blenders is that beauty brushes come in different colors. So I know that this is a blending brush. This is also a blending brush. I also know this is a flat eyeshadow brush. This is also an eyeshadow brush. See? One is a beige color and one is a black color. I know when I'm reaching to put on my makeup, and especially when I have to get up and get out the door, I know which brush I can use to do a 1-minute makeup treatment and feel elegant and sophisticated. So I just wanted to come on here and say, which camp are you? Are you a fan of all the brushes? Or are you a fan of the beauty blenders? Please comment, subscribe, and return for additional videos talking all about the world of makeup. Thank you for watching.